Hey guys, so long time ago, Pystewig, the add-on from the asset management, made an add-on for Blender like Gozi, and this one is to export and import assets directly from in Maya. But he made an update, he named it Go H for Houdini this time, but in fact that can be that can work for everything, so maybe we will rename it later. And if you go in the add-on preferences on this add-on, so let's do this. You will just select a directory where you will put the temp file, like Gozi brush. And for example, I will export this one. I will choose the options. Let's see, I will use the Z up, and that's it. It's okay. If I go in Houdini, I will create a geometry. I will go inside, I will create a file, like that, and I will select this file. And now I have my cube, okay? So if I come back in Blender and I add some bevels, like that, and I export it again, I will just click on Reload Geometry, and bam, I will have my my export file. So, as you can see, this is nice. On this one, if I want to make some operation, I can add a copy. Let's see, copy transform, like that, and let's use the transform here. Okay, so as you can see, this is interesting. And if now I edit this one, let's see, I want to make something like that, boom, I will export it again. I will be able to select it and reload, and that will do the same, and after that will add the operation we made after. So as you can see, this is interesting. You can add an object, make a lot of operation, and after you will be able to do this for different type of object. So you can also, if you want to export this one, so I will press tab, I will press file, like that, and this one I will make it in write file. Okay, I will click here and select the temp file. I will accept, just like that. And by clicking it here to activate it, I will export this one. So now if I come back on Blender, if I move this one, if I click on import, boom, I will have my imported object. Okay? So if now I, let's see, add another object, I will use this one, I will export it, boom, I will come here, I will reload geometry, I will have this, I will come here, and now, if I come here, normally that should work, import, boom, I will just press Alt-R. So as you can see, this is interesting. This is just a work in progress. Maybe we could, let's see, have this button and here the options for the export, import, export, and that should be nice. So as you can see, just with this you can do whatever you want. Let's see, I want to export this one. I want to make my operation on this one. Up. Boom. Let's see. I want to add. I will come here. I want to add here a bevel. So, bevel, poly bevel. And I will have my bevel. I will just come here, and that will export automatically. I will come here, remove this one, import, and that's it. So, pretty interesting.